Hello everyone, this is Pujita here. So today I'm here with my second video in which I'm going to be talking about the CSS box model. So in this video we'll be seeing how we can style a box using its property such as its height, width, padding and its border. So in the previous video we had seen how we can central align your text and give it a color and change its font style and size, and also we saw how we can give a background color to it. So in this video we'll start off with saying how you can give a background image to your content. So for that, first we'll go to the CSS part. So in that under card selector, we have a property called background image colon, and the value will be written as URL, and within the bracket and quotes, you will paste the link of your picture which you need. So basically, let's say we go to Google and we search for a picture which we need for our content. So that picture's link will be copied and pasted between the brackets. And then we'll give a height for your picture. Let's say 100 BH have given because I wanted to cover my whole screen here. So and then when you play the button, you get the picture, but there are cases where the picture keeps repeating itself, like either horizontally or vertically. So to avoid that, we have something called a background size, and we give it as cover. So it basically covers the whole 100 VH of your height. And the next one we're going to be talking about is styling of a button. So under that we have different properties, so we'll see one by one. The first one is its height and width. So in this I've given as 40 pixel and 120 pixel respectively. So let's say we change it and see the difference how it looks. So let's say we change the height to some 50 pixel. So now it's become more bigger. So when the width is 120 pixel, and the next one we have is the background color orange. So the color we give to our button is nothing but a background color, that is orange, which I've given. And the next we have is the color, which is the color of your text inside the button. So here I have given white. So let's say I change it to some black, and we'll see how it looks. So it looks more bright, so we'll keep it as black. And the next one we have is the border radius, which is nothing but choosing the to which extent you want your button curved. So I want my button curved, so I have given it 25 pixel. So let's say that we don't want our button curved, we want it to be, rectangular and straight. So for that we can give it as 0 pixel. Now we have it sharp edges as a rectangle. And the next one you have is your border width, which is basically you can see the red color border here. The thickness of your border is nothing but your border width. So here I have given 4 pixel. If you want it to be more thick, you can give 6 pixel to it as well, which looks thicker this way. And the next one you have is to make your border look more prominent, you can give it a color as well. That is your border color. So I have given it red. We can say change it to some blue. And this is how it looks. And the next one we have is a border style, which is the style of your border, the outline. So I've given it solid. There are other things, something like dashed. So we can see how that looks. So this is another style of your border, but I would just prefer the solid one. So let's keep it that way. Yeah. So after this, the next one we'll be seeing is the rounded corners of your card. So if you have observed, I have made my card in a rounded shape. I've curved it. So how we do that is basically in the card selector, we go for these two options. This is nothing but, so I've chosen border top left radius and border top right radius. So basically I'm curving my corners. So here I've given 30 pixel. We can change it to some 50 pixels, see the difference better way. So this is the left radius. So yeah. So we can see that now this part has become more curvy than this one. This is 50 pixels, this is 30 pixels. So if we want it that way, we can even change this into 50. Now we have both our top sides as a curvy one. And the next one we're going to be seeing, the last one is padding. Padding is basically nothing but giving space within your content. So here I have given the space within my content as 20 pixel. So let's see the difference. Let's say we give it a 40 pixel. It looks much larger and spacious right now. So we can give it like this and keep changing the styles. So this was all about the styling of the box. Thank you for watching.